Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into something a bit different. Have you ever heard of a prompt engineer? If you're thinking it sounds like a mix between a wizard and a mechanic, you're on the right track. But before we get into it, let me ask you a question. What do you think artificial intelligence is most useful for? Leave your answers in the comments, and I'll share some of the best ones at the end of this video. Now, you might be wondering why we're starting with a question. Well, it's all about engaging with you, my amazing audience. And speaking of engagement, did you know Jon Stewart, the legendary comedian, recently shared his thoughts on AI on The Daily Show? He prefers the term types question guy for prompt engineers. Funny, right? But there's a lot more to this story than just a joke. AI has been revolutionizing the way we generate content, and sometimes it's hard to believe what's real and what's AI made. For instance, deepfakes have become so advanced that they can create incredibly realistic images and videos. Imagine a world where political images could be AI generated and potentially influence public opinion. It's both fascinating and a bit scary, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the workforce. AI is not just about creating content, it's also about creating new jobs. Take prompt engineers, for example. They're the folks who guide AI to produce the desired output. It's a new role that didn't exist a decade ago, and it's in high demand. But how does this impact other jobs? That's a discussion we'll delve into a bit later. Prompt engineering is all about crafting the right inputs to guide generative AI models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. It's like being a director for AI. You set the scene, and the AI actors perform. But how do you become a great prompt engineer? That's a story for another day. As we continue to explore AI's impact on society, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Who's responsible for the AI-generated content? What if it's misused? These are important questions that we, as a society, need to answer. And as AI enthusiasts, it's our duty to ensure that this technology is used responsibly. AI is the perfect intersection of art, science, and technology. It allows us to create, to solve complex problems, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. But with great power comes great responsibility. Let's make sure we're using AI to better our world, not just to create the next viral meme. As we move forward, it's clear that AI is going to play a significant role in our future. And that means we need to be prepared. Education and learning new skills are key to staying ahead of the curve. So, what skills do you think will be most valuable in an AI-driven world? Let's discuss in the comments. AI is also a hotbed for innovation and entrepreneurship. There are countless opportunities for those who are willing to explore and create. From AI-powered apps to smart home devices, the sky's the limit. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, now is the time to start thinking about how you can leverage AI to revolutionize industries. One area where AI is making a significant impact is healthcare. From diagnosing diseases to developing personalized treatment plans, AI is helping medical professionals provide better care. Imagine a future where AI assists in finding cures for diseases we currently can't treat. It's an exciting prospect, isn't it? And let's not forget about the automotive industry. Self-driving cars are no longer a distant dream, they're becoming a reality, thanks to AI. These vehicles have the potential to drastically reduce accidents and improve road safety. It's amazing to think about the future of transportation and how AI will transform it. Entertainment is another sector where AI is making waves. From creating realistic virtual environments for movies to enhancing gaming experiences, AI is taking our leisure activities to new heights. Imagine a world where your favorite game characters can interact with you in real time, adapting to your every move. That's the power of AI. AI is also playing a crucial role in creating sustainable solutions for our environment. Smart cities powered by AI can optimize energy usage, reduce waste, and improve the quality of life for their residents. It's amazing to think about how AI can help us build a better future for our planet. But with all these advancements, it's important to address the ethical concerns surrounding AI. Issues like bias and transparency are hot topics in the tech world. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we need to ensure it's accountable and fair. It's up to us to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits everyone. As we look to the future, it's hard not to be excited about the innovations and technology trends that AI will bring. From AI-assisted decision-making to personalized experiences in every aspect of our lives, the possibilities are endless. But let's not forget to keep a close eye on how this technology evolves and affects our society. AI is also transforming education, making it more accessible and personalized than ever before. With online learning platforms powered by AI, knowledge is just a click away, regardless of where you are in the world. This global access to education is a game changer, and it's all thanks to AI. Have you ever interacted with a chatbot for customer support? AI-powered chatbots are becoming more sophisticated, providing faster and more effective support. It's a small example of how AI is improving our everyday experiences, one conversation at a time. In the world of finance, AI is helping with investment decisions and risk management through advanced algorithms. It's like having a team of financial experts working around the clock to analyze market trends. The potential for growth and stability in the financial sector is immense, and AI is leading the charge. Language barriers are gradually being broken down thanks to AI-powered translation tools. It's now easier than ever to communicate with people from different parts of the world. AI is playing a key role in globalization, connecting us all in a way that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. AI isn't just about numbers and logic, it's also about creativity. AI-assisted design and architecture are pushing the boundaries of what we can create. From buildings that optimize natural light to products that are tailored to individual needs, AI is inspiring a new wave of innovation in the world of design. In sports, AI is being used to analyze player performance and develop personalized training programs. Imagine having access to a coach that can provide real-time feedback and strategies based on your performance data. AI is transforming the way athletes train and compete, leading to unprecedented levels of excellence. When it comes to security, AI is our guardian. It's helping to detect threats and protect our digital lives from cyber attacks. With AI on the job, we can sleep a little easier knowing our data and privacy are in good hands. AI is also a powerful tool in law enforcement, aiding in crime prevention and surveillance. By analyzing patterns and predicting potential threats, AI is helping to keep our communities safer. It's like having a crime-fighting supercomputer working around the clock to keep us secure. Even in agriculture, AI is making a difference. Precision farming techniques powered by AI are helping farmers grow more with less, reducing waste and increasing sustainability. It's a testament to how AI can be applied to improve our world in ways we never thought possible. Manufacturing has seen a massive shift with the introduction of AI. From automation to quality control, AI is streamlining production and ensuring that the products we use every day are of the highest quality. It's like having a team of experts monitoring every step of the process, ensuring perfection. When it comes to our health and wellness, AI is becoming increasingly personalized. From fitness apps that adapt to your workout routine to AI-powered health monitors that track your vitals, we're entering an era where our health is more tailored to our individual needs than ever before. As we continue to integrate AI into every aspect of our lives, it's important to remember our responsibility to future generations. We need to ensure that the AI we develop and use today is ethical, responsible, and beneficial for everyone. It's up to us to shape a future where AI enhances our lives without causing harm. Finally, let's not forget the power of community and collaboration when it comes to AI. Open-source AI projects are driving innovation and allowing people from all walks of life to contribute to the development of this technology. It's a shining example of how we can work together to create a better future. So, there you have it, folks. AI is an incredibly powerful tool that has the potential to transform our world in countless ways. From healthcare to entertainment, from education to security, AI is shaping our future. But let's remember to use this power responsibly and ethically, ensuring that AI benefits all of society. And before I go, remember that question I asked you at the beginning of the video? What do you think artificial intelligence is most useful for? I can't wait to see your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on all about AI tech. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore another fascinating aspect of AI. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.